So, ayun. Dahil marami akong time, gagayahin natin yung napanood kong parang YouTuber, vlogger, or influencer. Meron, yung social media niya is all about talking yung abusive relationship niya for the past 10 years. So, mga micro abuse na parang we let things slide kasi hindi siya ganun kalaki, we think. Pero once it's accumulated, it's abuse. It's a form of abuse, and we don't want that sa babae man or sa lalaki. So going back, so yung sa ano niya is 10 years, oh my god, 10 years sila. Tapos yun na nga, tapos kinikwento niya kung ano yung mga little abuse na natanggap niya doon. So ayan, so parang sobrang nakarelate ako sa kanya, as in ganyan na ganyan nangyari. Kasi sa previous relationship ko, which is 4 years kami magkasama, and then as in super devastated ako, pero hindi naman siya super big, parang as in super big or grand gesture yung parang nangyaring abuse, pero it's really accumulated that really ruined and traumatized me, na until now bigla na lang akong iiyak, mga ganon, kasi nga I'm kinda in a super safe place ngayon. So ang nangyayari naman, dahil nasa super safe place ako, super na safe pas so the adrenaline kinda wear down, kasi when I was living with him, I was really in a survival mode. So now that I'm in a safe place, a better place, no, a good community, good environment, with healthy food, no, like all the adrenaline went down, and then when it went down, my biological, no, system, like my physical body, like went crazy. Sobrang naging sakitin ako, parang mabilis akong aside sa syempre humaharap ako sa tao kasi diba teacher ako, pero ayun na nga. So getting better, nagkasakit man ako, gumagaling na, pero the trauma itself, like nandito pa din. So umiiyak na lang ako kusa, like kakita lang ako ng simple video or dyan, iiyak ako. So going back nga, kaya sabi ko, why not kayahin siya, why not, maybe I could heal also by like telling my stories instead of, kasi no 2023, nung nag-break kami ng 2023, I was really focused on paying all the debts, utang na caused by him, no? So lahat kasi naka-name sa akin, kasi ako lahat nag-aasikaso. So naka-name sa akin, which is very very wrong. No, I'm people used to tell me that I'm a smart person, pero that time, oh my god, sobrang bading ako pag mag-my love. So ayun na nga, I was really paying attention sa paano lalagpasan yung babayaran lahat ng utang na baon dahil nga sa nangyaring sitwasyon. So wala akong chance para to grieve and to resolve that issue. So 2025, masyadong halata na yung mga manifestation ng aking trauma. So here we are. I'm gonna tell you lots of stories. So this will be the part 1. Okay.